À toutes les DO, attention pour le décompte final. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage Vulcain. Allumage des EAP décollage. La propulsion est nominale.
And we are off. How wonderful to see the mighty Ariane roaring across that equatorial sky. Definitely a launch to savor. We are now over 1 minute into the flight as she powers her way into space, heading east out over the Atlantic Ocean. Raphael, Mathieu, a reaction?
It's hard to get tired of it, right? I mean,
It's amazing.
Look at this.
Yeah. I might be an engineer, but still I have emotions when I see that. No, that's amazing.
Like a ball of fire thrusting itself.
No, and we are extremely lucky because we can clearly see the rocket like blasting its way towards
Raphael,
space.
what do you have to tell us?
Well, I mean, everything is going to happen quite quickly now. You'll have in a few seconds the booster separations.
That's the first thing we have to look out for.
Yeah, they will have provided 90% of the overall thrust in order to literally escape the gravity pull of the Earth.
And with the clear sky, we'll see them well.
I hope so. I think we will. And then you will have the separation of the fairing when we have crossed the limits of the atmosphere. It's protected the satellite from the friction of the air, but also from the noise generated at the booster's ignition. And then we will have the separation of the main cryogenic stage. And here you can see the booster separation.
Yeah,
we see it so clearly.
We see it
so it's confirmed visually and also in our...
By the DDO.
By the DDO.
Brilliant.
And okay, so the sky is perfectly clear, so it's perfect conditions to
so,
see.
Mathieu, without these two boosters, the launcher is obviously now a lot lighter. So than it was at takeoff. Its load has been lightened by how many tons, and why is this necessary, even essential? Does lighter mean faster?
Yeah, it was 775 tons on the launch pad. Now it's about 156 tons because we got rid of these empty boosters. Imagine that we managed to get rid of about 500 tons of propellant in about 2 minutes and 20 seconds. But this is the amount of energy that you need to go to space. And this is a principle. You get rid of any useless mass to provide maximum acceleration to the satellites. And now we've got fairing separation.
The fairing separation.
And we actually can see it, I think. So we have, again, visually the confirmation and also by the DDO.
That's brilliant news.
We can actually see the two halves of the fairing getting separated. That's magical.
Those images are incredible.
And this is the last time, by the way, we see the piece of art that was on the fairing.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Raphael. As you can see on the screen, computers are generating now perhaps CGI images for us to see what's happening. It will be coming up in a minute. We have 5 minutes, not now, because obviously the skies are so clear, we're seeing everything. We have 5 minutes now before our next milestone. So let's focus on our launcher, Ariane 5. Mathieu.